Hi everyone! If you have wanted a cheesecake that doesn't crack, with a bright blueberry topping that actually tastes like blueberries, this is it. With creamy filling, buttery crust, and zero stress. So you stay tuned, don't go away, let's make it now. This creamy cheesecake is so easy to make because it is gonna be baked. It is rich, smooth, perfect for summer, and easier than you think. So you try it and you'll never stop doing it. We're gonna use 200 grams of digestive biscuits, 80 grams of melted butter with 1 tablespoon of sugar or without for the biscuit base. For the biscuit base, mix everything and press into the bottom of 23 centimeters spring form pan and bake for 10 minutes at 175 degrees and leave it to cool down completely. After mixing the cheesecake filling, make sure that you scrape down the mixture. don't forget to bring out the base after baking for 10 minutes. We're gonna leave it to cool down completely. After the base has been cooled down, I'm going to pour over the cheesecake filling. Ensure that the filling is evenly distributed. That we're going to return back into the oven and bake for 160 degrees just for 40 to 45 minutes. Allow the cheesecake to reach room temperature prior to refrigeration. And by the time we're waiting, we're going to make the blueberry topping. And here I write down the full description of how to do that. It is very easy and simple. This is how it looks when it's done. Retrieve the cheesecake after it has been refrigerated overnight. Prior to serving, spoon the cooled blueberry topping over the chilled cheesecake. Wow guys, look at that. We're gonna present and serve our cheesecake. It's gonna be yummy guys, tasty and mouth-watering. Cheesecake serves 8 to 10 bites.